you can see I have been able to withdraw all of this amount, and I have multiple accounts. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can get your first money to start trading. So if you have a limitation of not having the funds to start trading, I can show you a way, provided that you have the internet and a computer or a phone, so that you can get your first $1, your $10, your $50, and then open a trading account and start trading. So I start with the first website, and the first website that I'll be covering is an AI website, which is you. I leave all the links in the description so that you can register and start right away. So on this website, this is an AI website. So what you basically do is that you just prompt AIs. You can use all these AIs for your daily uses. So let's say that if you use ChatGPT in your daily life, you can still use it here, and then you can just choose it. The only difference is that you will be using the pros. So here we have the paid versions, but they are free. The only thing that is deducted is the points. So when you register, they will give you 5,000 points. These points you only get if you are referred. So I'll leave the link. So make sure you use it to get the first 5,000 points. So after getting these points, what you do next is use the AIs. So here you can choose the models that you like, or I can just let them choose for me. So I can just ask anything. So I can just choose something like this, and then I just ask. What they do is that these AIs will generate responses, and I'll just evaluate and choose the best one. So I can just use them in my daily life or anything I do. Let's say that image generation or anything that I like. And the advantage, I'm using the Pro AIs for free, and still I'm getting paid for that. So after they finish generating, what I do, I just review which AI is the best in generating that response. So this still generating. I wait for it, or I can just stop it. It has just finished. So here I just go through all of them, and then I just say this looks good, and then I say why it is good, and I just choose something there. After that, I'll be prompted with this scratch to win credits. Just long press, scratch it, and you win these points. Now, if you want to withdraw the points, you just open here. Just open here, and then you can just see your profile. Tap on it. Here we have a cash out. So this cash out is oftenly enabled within, let's say, a week there. So if you continue using this website for a week, the cash out will be enabled, and you will be able to withdraw your money through PayPal or Coinbase. So make sure that you have PayPal, and it is a verified PayPal. And a verified PayPal, you need to verify it using a card, and mostly they deduct $1.95. So make sure that your card has 1.95 when you are verifying your PayPal before you link it here, because you will not be able to withdraw using that PayPal if it is not verified. But you can still use Coinbase. Coinbase is a crypto exchange website. You can use it. They don't allow Binance here, so you only have two options. That is Coinbase and PayPal. Make sure that you create those two accounts if you want to withdraw the money here. I have been able to cash out on that AI website, so they don't cheat. I have cashed out 3 times through PayPal and 1 time through Coinbase. They allow a cash out of between $2 there, up to $2 per day. Not a lot of money, but it is a starting point. You can still use another website, which is the next one. Now this website is Sprout Gigs. So Sprout Gigs is a microtasking website, and I have used it, and you can still I have been able to earn some money. This is a microtasking website where you can find some small jobs. You can just browse them, and then you'll be able to see micro tasks that you can do. So here we have some micro tasks like creating a Gmail account, and then you give this person, you'll be able to earn this amount of money. Of course, this might be tiresome, but this is also a starting point. I'll also leave a link where you will sign up using all those links and try all these websites. Now here you'll be able to withdraw using ATM, which is also a wallet, and then you can just cash out to where you want. Or they also provide other methods. The last time I used it, they were providing PayPal. When I go to my wallet, they may ask me to complete my KIC. Earlier they were not asking, but today they ask it, which is a bit hard to complete. Now, if this is hard, we can proceed to another one which might be a bit simpler. So this one is microworkers.com. So microworkers.com is also a microtasking website, and here I have been able to withdraw multiple times. So this is a withdrawal, and you can see here on my PayPal account I received this amount. So this is microworkers, where you can log in, start microtasking. So also this is a good option. You have at least a better chance of earning more dollars compared to the two previous sites. So that is why I'm arranging them in orders where you have the ability to earn more money. But here you'll need Skrill or PayPal or ATM. So you will need those three wallets to withdraw from this website. So here you have multiple payments that you can withdraw your money. You can either use either of them and still get your money out of this website. Now, this has some limitations. You have the maximum amount of tasks that you can do. All of them have the limitations. And then the limitation of this is that you will have a temporary limitation. This limitation will be limiting you on the amount of tasks that you will be able to do per day. And then on the first website, the micro tasking website, which is Proud Gigs, you also have that limitation, and you have a limitation of your IP address. So if you are using, let's say that you are using a public network, these guys will end up banning you. You need to use a unique IP address. Also, microworkers have a behavior of banning some people when you try to do those tasks very fast. Let's say that you just open submit without even trying to do the task. They will just ban you. Now, I also have another website which might be a good option, and it's the last one. You can see I have been able to withdraw all of this amount, and I have multiple accounts. So this might be a good option where you have the ability to make some more money compared to the two websites. So on this website, what you do is you link your TikTok account. So here you'll need to create many accounts, TikTok accounts, and then you'll be connecting them. And you need a computer to do this. So you just log in on your TikTok, you open a new browser, search TikTok, log in on that account, and then after logging in, you just come here to connect, tap connect, and then wait for it to connect. So here I just wait for it to connect. What it will do, it will open a new tab, and on this tab you just choose TikTok, and then after choosing TikTok, it will just try to authorize that one, your account. You might not see it do it this way for the first time. You might see a lot of things. You just need to allow them, and then you will end up here. After doing that, just return back, scroll down, check connection, and then complete that connection by confirming. That way you will have your account somewhere here, but that account is already connected now. So after connecting your account, these guys will be posting on your account. They will be paying you $0.05 per post that reaches 100 views. So if you have good TikToks, you have ability of getting some views and then some money. If also you don't get those posts, you can still open here on manual upload, refresh, and then when you see any manual upload here, you just claim it here. You'll see a claim button here. After claiming, you will be going and posting on our TikTok account, copying that video link, and then you will see something here that will be requiring you to enter that link. Just enter it, and then after entering it, you need just to confirm and wait for them to confirm and pay you. So these have a little bit high rate, so they will be paying you almost $0.1 there. It's a bit higher than the one that is automatic. So you can see I have automated posts, and you can see if I open them, I can see that post. This is how you can get your first trading money fast. This is your starting point. So after starting out, I'll leave all those links in the description. So if you have any question, any suggestion, leave it in the comment section. I'll be reading it and answering every comment. Thanks for watching.